Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mohini and I'm here to talk to you about brand. It's called the Skinfix Barrier Plus brand, and this is their new face cream. I like the nozzle. You push and cream comes out of here, and I have really dry skin, so this is very moisturizing. It's Lipid Peptide cream, which has rich lipid replenishment in it, and it's tested and recommended by dermatologists. This is an ultra rich, deeply hydrating daily cream that supports the skin barrier and helps boost moisture and elasticity by replenishing skin's natural lipids. And you can apply it to face and skin. Tells you how much percentage of the ingredients they have: 3% lily root extract, 3% seaweed hyaluronate blend, 3% peptide protein blend, and 3% triple lipid complex. And the jar is also made from 26% reclaimed and recycled plastic. So it's BPA free. And I also just love the aesthetic, the style, and the way that the cream comes out. You push this down. So try it if you have dry skin like me. For the hot summers, dry winters, this is really great go-to. It's a little expensive. I believe it's $50 or higher, but it's a great brand to try if you have really dry skin. So if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the like button. Also, let us know what you think if you purchase a product in the comments. So have a good one. Bye.